up this morning, sun on my face. Ain't got no rush, ain't got no race. The bills can wait, the phone can ring. I'm just gonna sit here and let my spirit sing. Coffee on the porch, birds in the tree. Nothing out here bothering me. Yesterday's gone and tomorrow ain't here. Today I'm just living, no worries, no fear. No worries today, no worries today. Let the sun shine down and wash it all away. Whatever comes tomorrow, it can find its own way. 'Cause I got no worries, no worries today. Neighbor come by, we share a little talk. Later on we're gonna take a island walk. Kids playing out in the yard so free. That's the kind of riches that matter to me. Some say the world's falling all apart, but I keep the sunshine here in my heart. Can't control the weather, can't control the sea, so I let it flow and I let it be. No worries today, no worries today. Let the sun shine down and wash it all away. Whatever comes tomorrow, it can find its own way. 'Cause I got no worries, no worries today. Told me, son, take your time. Life ain't a hurry, it ain't no crime to sit in the shade and watch the day go by. Count your blessings instead of asking why. I got my family, I got my friends. Got a little garden where the good vibe never ends. Simple living, that's the way to be. No worries.